Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share what I learned is your subject introduction to Philippine history covering week 1 to 6. To begin with to begin in week 1, I learned that meaning the importance of history. History is not just about memorizing dates and events. It helps us understand your identity as Filipinos and learn lessons from the past. I also learned about the different sources of history, such primary sources like letters, diaries, and official documents, and secondary sources like textbooks and articles. In addition, we have discussed historical research method which help historians analyze and interpret information accurately. Moving on week 2, we studied the pre-colonial Philippines. I discovered that even before the arrival of colonizers, early Filipinos already had organized communities called barangays. They have their own culture, system of government, and economic activities such as trading with neighboring countries. This made we have realized that Filipinos were already civilized and skilled even before foreign influence. In week 3, we talk about Spanish colonization. The Spaniards came to the Philippines and introduced a new form of government and Christianity. This period brought major changes in your culture, religion, and way of life. Many traditions and beliefs that we have today were influenced by Spanish era. For week 4, we focus on Philippine revolt against Spain. Filipino like the Gohoy and Diego Silang fought against Spanish rule due unfair treatment and abuse. Even though many revolts did not succeed, they show the courage, unity, and growing desire Filipino freedom. In week 5, we learn about the Philippine Revolution and First Republic. The Katipunan, led by Andres Bonifacio, played a big role fighting for independence. This eventually led to the declaration of Philippine independence and establishment of the First Philippine Republic. This was an important step toward becoming a free nation. Finally, in week 6, we discuss American colonization. The Americans introduced public education, improved infrastructure, and a new political system. While they have brought some positive changes, they also continue foreign control over the country. Overall, the topics help me better understand how Philippines developed over time, from pre-colonial society to different periods of colonization. I learned that our history is full struggle, growth, and resilience. It also taught me to appreciate your culture and value freedom today. Thank you for listening.